Oh, God, he wants to get it in.
Look at him.
I guess I haven't been letting him. Look, come here.
We're still getting stuck in the bushes.
Hold on.
Look. That was so cute.
Isn't she adorable?
More.
Look at her. Now she's gonna go play. Oh, do you want to switch so you can take him on? Because I don't want to get my.
Let's do that. Come here. Go to the. Come here. Lance.
Look at him, Nevada. Look at how Lance loves the grass. Look, he like just rolls his face in and stuff. Are you getting him on camera, John?
Uh-huh. Come here.
Look. See what he does? I see you, baby. Sorry. Oh my
Jeez.
gosh, look at him. He loves
Lance.
the tall grass.
Come on, Lance. Where's Boots? Oh, there she is.
There, she's doing it too. She's frolicking. I love my animals.
Lila, what are you doing?
And she's still with us.
Lila's having fun too.
Yeah. Taser? Look at her. Oh, look. A home. We have neighbors. Oh. Oh. Okay. Lance.
Oh wait, we do go down farther usually, right? Yeah, I can go down farther.
You just see what happened to the thingy.
Where?
There's like paper all over it.
Really?
Yeah.
Neighbors? Think it was from that weirdo? Saint says the what?
Did he say we have neighbors?
Someone went into the little area we always go to. I was saying maybe the neighbor from back there we saw. You know, the little hut or ooh. Yeah, it looks like the same person. I mean, just judging by the furnitures and stuff. Oh, oh, oh.
What?
Is that a man right there in the blue? Angie,
No,
what is that?
That's the balloons.
Is that Candyman?
What is that?
Don't say his name 3 times.
Candyman, Candyman.
No.
It's a tarp.
No, that's like
You got the hell out of there quick. It's a tarp, baby. You're
Yeah.
like, oh, is that a man? Boots is gonna go check. Let's go check.
Yeah, I want to go check.
Someone's obviously.
Really?
Oh, look, this is a nice little spot.
Usually.
Oh, look, what is this? Have they told someone's mail?
The government.
Ew. See, I don't. That just. That's a tablet or something on over there, isn't it? What's that
Where?
orange glowing thing?
No, that's like a seal.
Oh. Ew.
If that was a tablet, I would have had that.
Ooh.
That would have been mine.
I just got the spookies right now.
Spookies?
The spookies. Well, we have a pit bull to protect.
Yes,
Well, he won't
for
do much
ferocious
protecting.
one at
Mhm.
that.
You're
What are you
cleaning it
doing,
up.
Mom? What are you doing?
Oh, she's gonna collect the mail and give it to them, I suppose. Like a good. See, this is a good example.
This is all stuff like returned mail from a law office.
Oh, they don't have any. Yeah, who did that? Do you think it's the guy that was caught out here, like trespassing? Yeah, huh? It was like an episode of CSI.
Yeah.
Started out just about a catwalk.
Yeah. Should we take that?
What is that?
Should we take it?
Okay.
I need a shot. I need one shot.
What is that? Okay. Should I be brave? What's ooh? Ooh. I don't know. Getting the evidence.
Well, if someone comes, I just heard noise.
I don't think it. I think it's definitely someone throwing shit out here.
Oh, sure.
Maybe there's a dead body.
Hey.
Well, people, like,
Could
this
be.
is a
Look at
prime
that.
little spot to live.
Yuck.
Okay, let's head back the other way.
All right. Come on, let's
She's enjoying her walk.
look at Lance the cow. Lance the cow. Come on, Lance.
Time to continue our walk?
Come on, Boots.
Yeah, she's gonna wait. Here she comes. Up. Up, she's gonna go slow. Oh, how flippin' adorable. Oh, isn't that cute?
At least you're providing all the narration, right?
Huh?
You're providing all the narration.
You're so precious. Come on, Boots.
Have you ever heard of a cat that likes to go on mile-long walks?
Crazy. Yeah. I don't know. I don't.
See, one of the benefits, everybody, of me not wearing my glasses is I get to imagine things that aren't even there. Like the orange reflecting thing. Is there a laptop? I see something glowing. This is stupid.
No, you said laptop or tablet.
It's this orange
Wait.
sticker.
I don't. Who's ever seen an orange laptop or tablet?
What if I didn't want to put my glasses on?
Did you think that was the glowing light of it?
Yeah.
Okay, now we gotta go across the street to that grassy.
And now we got to take her to that right beyond the stop sign. She has to go there. If we don't include this as part of the walk, we get hell from it, from this cat. Come on, Boots. We're going to your spot. Oh, they're gonna do this again. You excited, Boots? Not as excited as Lance. Little Lance on the prairie. It's a trip. Where is she?
I'm scared that if we walk like this.
That's why you do it quick. Here she goes. She knows. Come on, Boots. That right there, she loves that. Weird. Come on, Boots.
All right, let's head back.
Yeah, it's gonna be like this Gone with the Wind epic. And we're going back, and this cat is still coming. I've tried to shorten it for those who are watching. It would be really long if we had it on the full distance. Come on. Anyways, watch. She's gonna follow us all the way, but she would never do this if we weren't here, of course. But it's a trip that she does this.
I can't take those.
Zane, can you hold my phone?
Where is she? And there was our walk. Leave comments if your cat does that. First cat I've ever seen do something like that before. Thanks for watching.